We guide you through how to send money from Payoneer to Wise quick and securely. So the first thing you need to do is to log into your Payoneer account using your browser or mobile app, then go to the withdraw option found in the main menu. Choose to bank account since Wise provides you with local bank details that work just like a regular receiving account. If you haven't added your Wise account yet, click Add New Bank Account, then enter the exact banking details from Wise dashboard, including the account holder name, bank name, routing number, and account number. Make sure everything matches perfectly to avoid delays or rejections. Once your Wise account is saved and approved, select it as your withdrawal destination, type the amount you want to transfer, and review the applicable fees and estimated arrival time, which typically ranges from a few hours to 1 to 2 business days, depending on the currency. Then double check all the details before confirming the transaction to prevent errors. After submitting, you can track the status directly inside your Payoneer under Transactions. When the money arrives in Wise, you'll receive a notification, and from there, you can hold it, convert it to another currency at competitive rates, or send it to your local bank.